Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Assalamu Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ahlan wa sahlan bikum. Welcome guys. In today's video, bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, we are going to be continuing with our Arabic grammar course. In our last lesson, we took a verbal sentence. So we looked at verbal sentences and we said a verbal sentence is a sentence that begins with a verb, and that a verbal sentence consists of three components. It consists of a fi'l, a verb, a fa'il, a subject, and a maf'ool bihi, an object. In regards to the maf'ool bihi, I mentioned that we do not always need a maf'ool bihi. And the reason for that is what we're going to be taking in today's lesson. So a fi'l, a verb, is of two types in the Arabic language. It can be lazim, which means intransitive. And intransitive means it does not require a direct object, but it may require a preposition. So for example, if somebody said to you, Aina Muhammad, you could say, Kharaja Muhammad. So for example, someone says to you, where is Muhammad? You reply and say, Muhammad left. Now the sentence is complete. Or you could say, Muhammadun kharaja min al-bayt, Muhammad left the house. In both cases, this verb does not have a, or this sentence does not have a maf'ool bihi. Or another example is, you could say, Nama Muhammadun alassareer, Muhammad slept on the bed. Here it does not have a maf'ool bihi, but it does have a preposition. So intransitive sentences do not have maf'ool bihis, they don't have an object, but they may have a preposition. Moving on to al-fi'l, al-muta'addi, and a transitive fi'l, a fi'l that needs a maf'ool bihi. So for example, Sharibal, waladu al-aseera, the boy drank the juice. If I just said the boy drank, this sentence is considered incomplete. It needs the maf'ool bihi, al-aseera. Likewise, if I say sharaha al-mudarrisu ad-darsa, sharaha is he explained, al-mudarris is the teacher, ad-darsa is the lesson. So the teacher explained the lesson. If I just say the teacher explained, this is considered incomplete and it needs the maf'ool bihi, ad-darsa. Another example is kataba at-talibu al-wajiba, the student wrote the homework. The homework is the object, it's the maf'ool bihi, and it is a necessary part of the sentence, making the verb kataba muta'addin. If you have any questions about this lesson, please let me know in the comments below, and bi'idhnillahi ta'ala, I'll see you in the next video. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.